Join me here, let's draw letter C. Start by drawing a big curved line from the top left. Keep curving until you reach the bottom. That's it! You've drawn a letter C. Nice job! Now, let's draw a cat. C for cat. When you see the letter C, think of a cat taking a cozy nap in the sun. It's the perfect letter for words like comfort, cozy, and content, reminding us of the peaceful moments we share with our furry friends. Look, cat opened its eyes. Come and join me, let's color them together. Green colored for letter C. This cat is yellow and white colored. Cats come in all sorts of cool colors, just like the letter C. Whether it's a calico cat, a black cat, or a tabby cat, C adds a splash of color to the alphabet. The letter C is as curious and clever as a cat exploring its surroundings. It's always ready to discover new words and create playful combinations that spark the imagination. Just remember to take your time and have fun with it. Practice makes progress. That's it! Letter C. C for cat.